fastest first draw is faster than a fraction of a second.
0コンマより早く。結果、少年の肉体が選んだ最速は手をポケットから引っこ抜かず、主剣の位置はそのままに身を沈めることにより罰見した。それはあたかも塚を床に設置したまま腰を開くことにより抜刀する居合抜きの居合、身体操作法に似ることとなる。息子バキからの今宵最大のプレゼント、上アギトと下アギト、噛み砕く虎のアギトになぞらえた秘技、その名もcổ王。
Tiger! Wait! Bro, Yujiro Hama's fuck with him, man. He's fucked with Baki. Oh, Baki dodged it? Oh, that was the push thing. He was with that bullshit push punch thing. But he's... No!
息子バキからの今宵最大のプレゼント。
Bro.
上アギトと下アギト。噛み砕く虎のアギトになぞらえた秘技。その名もcổ王。
Tiger King.
快挙。
A magnificent achievement. Can niggas go home, bro? Are you fucking telling me that the entire time Oliva was chilling with his boo Big Mom in a hotel room that just happens to be nearby? Fuck out of here, bro. These niggas are dumb. All of them are dumb. They're all dumb.
あんなクラシックの合戦の技術に深くを取るなんて、いや気が回ったか、王が。にしてもだ、バキめ、強すぎだぜ少年。
Holy shit, man.
膝の下にある太い父の頸部の確かな感触。
Wow. Yo, Cove, if it never stop working out, we'll get there.
自由を奪った腕の確かな。
But first, I need to order a tuna sub. Yeah! Okay, hold on. Let me do this real quick. Perfect. There it is.
感触。
Yeah.
親父は今確かに俺の下にある。
身の丈を超える達成。
This feeling of achievement that was larger than him.
等身大の動揺。
And this excitement.
二つ我にあり。
王がよ、油断がす。見るっつうの。バキはあんたの血を引くモンスターなんだぜ。舐めすぎだっつうの。バカ野郎。
You're as dumb as they come.
親父、聞こえてるかい？何をしてくるかと思えば。
I was always wondering what you do in the situation, huh?
いかにも貴様らしい小ざ。
And it's exactly the kind of trick I would expect you to pull.
親父、そんなセリフもこの体勢からは言いにくいよな。
ふざけんなよ親父。このまま終わる気じゃねえだろうな。認めねえぞそんなこと。逆転してみろ。それがハンマ裕次郎ってもんだろうが。バキよ。
Yo, Pickle's yawning! But Dopo knows better. Baki, no, easy, Baki, easy.
図に乗っちゃいけねえ。パパはそう弱かねえぞ。
Bro, hey, I'm gonna buy a tuna sub right the fuck now real quick, dude. come on, bro. Come on, bro. This nigga be fucking doing weird shit again. Nigga be doing weird shit again. Uh-oh. Here comes some dumb shit, bro. I want to just fucking... You know what? Fuck a tuna sub right now, dude. I'm about to get Popeyes.
持ち上げていや持ち上げたところで一体何の意味が意味自信無根拠のはずがない動揺混乱予測ができない完全に決まったこの体勢からその右手で何ができるというんだ
Oh, that got Pickle up. That got Pickle up immediately, bro. Pickle was bored out of his mind. That got up quickly. He just tried to do Uvogan's Big Bang attack or Big Bang impact. Big Bang impact, and yo, the same VA too. Blackbeard, the same nigga. Holy, whoa!
Asphalt の地面をぶち抜くという発想
He did a full spin and he was able to punch through the asphalt and oh. Bro, that's ridiculous. Come on. That's fucking insane. Impossible. Impossible. Like they're tough to communicate to each other, bro. Like, yes, that's crazy. No doubt about it.
オーガにとっちゃ地面やアスファルトの認識が違うゼリーや寒天の上でた
No. If you fight on top of gelatin, pinning your opponent to the ground isn't pinning at all. No. There's rules and he's breaking them.
ラウンドにならねえ
I mean, but he did stop an earthquake, but how big was your kick really? Earthquakes over Nupa, which kind of earthquake, right? Yeah.